Well, hello. I see you came back. So you must like the first Reese's Pieces. That's good. That's good. That's real good. I'm glad you came back. All right. So for the next chapter in Reese's Pieces, I got a question. And one question. I just need somebody to help me out with this for a second. All right. So I work at ABC, and we have these shows that show people who go out and they save animals. Animals be on the side of the road. They be on the beach and in the tropics and all these other places, and they save them. Come out, if they're hurt, injured, they'll pick them up and rehabilitate them, give them a place to stay, feed them, and then after a couple of months, they put them back in the wild and tell them have a good life. So my question is, do animals have to have health insurance? Well, I'm just saying, because like for me, if I was sitting on the side of the road or if I was on the street and I was hurt, and in order for me to, for someone to pick me up and help me out, I have to have health insurance. Now I have health insurance, I'm just sitting on the side of the road hurt. You know what I'm saying? But an animal, on the other hand, if they hurt or something's wrong with them, somebody come pick them up, help them out, send them back on their way. So I'm just wondering, do animals have health insurance? Do they have to have health insurance? I have to have health insurance, so don't animals have to have some? I'm just saying, just a question, just want to know. I mean, if you know the answer, hit me up. Hashtag is right there on the corner. Just let me know, because I'm a little confused and a little concerned. I'm a concerned citizen. Alright, and I just want to know. Because if they don't have to have health insurance, I don't think I should either. I think I should be able to just walk up in the clinic, yo, I need some help. They should be able to help me out. And then after a couple of months, I should be able to be on my way. Am I wrong? I don't know. You tell me. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll holler at y'all next week with another installment of Reese's Pieces. See what else is going on in this weird head of mine. I'm out.